couple of seconds we should be, inshallah. And we're live. Assalamu alaikum adab. Tamam sayin nazreen yum asithin judit ya ayand mustaqbilas mazan asithin judit. Teman tamat watim tamam pend online family hans my barus salam to pur khulus dua ta adab. Umeed chh yesu theek betin. To Muhtaram Nazreen yithin to pay chh ye chh dohli gashik betin aya haqiqat ki kashir yus sin chi ich मुख्तलिफ मुश्किलात मुसीबत तो परेशानियन मजन वालना आमद पत में एक वरी पेठन छ सन कोशिश रोजमस कि यम मुसीबत परेशानी या प्रॉब्लम्स छ यमन जुड़ित या यमन से रिलेटेड यम मुख्तलिफ एस्पेक्ट या मुख्तलिफ पहलू छ तिमन पेठन करो कस पनन कशीर अंदर ते कशीर नेबर ते यम साहिब इल्म छ साहिब नजर छ तिम जोड़ो तो तिमन सितन करो का तिंद दस जानो या तिंजो नजरो वचो यम इश्यूज अमे मौजूद कि योताम अल्लाह ताला यमन मुसीबतन हुंद हल आस लिखमत या योताम खुदा सुंद यत्सुन आसिमो मुसीबतो निशन अस नेरुन तो तामत करो अस सुरख रोई सान या यज़्द सान तिमन चीजन तुमन मुसीबतन हुंद सामने या मुकाबला यथे कन अगर इख्तिसादी हालत कत करो अस पथ गसने जरूरत कहें अगर वो पतमन 5-6 वरियन हज कत करो अगर 2010 या 2014 सैलाब पते वो हालत सन मशियत या इख्तिसादी हालत ये हालात या ये अंसर पैद गमित अगर वनो कि अक हिसाब कंबर फुटन या कंबर फुटरावन कोशिश सान इख्तिसादियत सह गलत कह तो अल्लाह ताला सुंदी करम कि दह दह कड़ान थी इख्तिसादी हालत पे पतमे अक वरी पे कम से कम 10 फीर मुख्तलिफ अमिक पहलू तिमन पे कत कर चाहे सह हॉर्टिकल्चर टूरिज्म एग्रीकल्चर या ट्रेडिशनल इंडस्ट्री हर अख पहलू टच कर कोशिश कर अथी तनाजुरस मज अजुक प्रोग्राम तोन ये अत पहलुस पे कत करो कि यम सन अल्लाह ताला कशीर नेबर आबाद कर्मित यमन बिजनेस नेबर कामयाब बिजनेस तिहुंद क्या हक या तिहंज क्या जिम्मेदारी बनान पन्ने माज कशीर कुन कि ये इख्तिसादी या माशियती हालत तथ कित कन करन इम मजबूत या तथ कित कन थावन इम खड़ा या तथ कित कन बरन लोल तो अथी मुतलिक कत करन खतर आज सन नामवर मेहमान अस जुड़ेमित यमन मज अब्दुल रऊफ त्रंबू साहब शफात अहमद काजी साहब प्रिंस अहमद वानी साहब सो अब्दुल रऊफ साहब कुन तारुफ मोहताज कि कशीर हिंद नामवर बिजनेसमैन यथे कन शफात साहब यहुंद बिजनेस मरकज US या अमरीका वनान तत तो यहज बिजनेस एंगेजमेंट्स तिम मुख्तलिफ ममालिकन सतन तो यथे कन सन मोज कशीर तथ सतन बिजनेस एंगेजमेंट या डीलिंग्स रोजम प्रिंस वानी साहब यहुंद मरकज बिजनेस यूनाइटेड किंगडम यथ बरतानिया वनान तो यहज त बिजनेस एंगेजमेंट वारियान ममालिकन सतन तो सन 3 मेहमान आज यम सतन जुड़े पन कीमती वक्त कड़ने खतर तुहद वारिया शुक्रिया तो माय बरस तो वस वन तुहद इस्तकबाल आज सतन जुड़ने बाबत तो मोहतरम नाजरीन अगर सोन अजुक प्रोग्राम कह त सवाल तुह की कमेंट बिला झिझक हेकू तुम फेसबुक लाइव तु वनकस वचान तथ पे पन कमेंट्स वमेंट्स सूजित तो त रेलिवेंट इंशाल्लाह करो तथ पहलुस या तथ सवालस सान मेहमान सतन कत कर या तिमन तामत वातन कोशिश चूंकि वक्त कम तो सवाल ज्यादा तो इशू वसी बह वात डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन कुन रऊफ साहब अगर बह गो तुह पृमो जनरली अगर सन बिजनेस या मार्केट या इकनॉमी वो वनकस क्या सिचुएशन सान बिजनेस तो पत अगर कत करो कम बेसिक एज अ बिजनेसमैन तुम बासान मेन अड़चन स्मूथ बिजनेस रन करनस कशीर मज
फरमो कि सन इकॉनमी हज पोजिशन ठीक कह बह कमर फुटमुत पज पे तुम करो यह फ्रेज इस्तेमाल कमर फुटमुत पज पे कमर फुटमुत I will not go into the maths of economics. So maths expect to mention that maths is bad because of this pandemic and all this and the uncertainty. It is very bad, but it is very difficult for a business community in Kashmir to at least even survive. How we are surviving? Survive. A sense of uncertainty, a sense of insecurity. We don't know what is going to happen in next 1 month. There is no use doing a short term, even a short term plan, or even a mid term plan, or even a long term plan. We are living, I will say, not day to day, but hour to hour. Ye uncertainty chhe. But there is always a silver lining in a dark cloud, that we are very hopeful. We are very hopeful that there will be vikas, what they call vikas. There will be development. As a government, we are not leaving any stone unturned to attract investment into Kashmir. They have gone day in and day out, schemes are coming out that investment should come into Kashmir. And I think it is a golden time that the people, the Kashmiris living outside Kashmir, they should have a look at what all incentives are being offered, what all encouragements is being given by the government. And take a decision, take a call on investing. Not just check the waters, but seriously take a call on investing. Uncertainty at this time, you might see Patman, Dahan Varian, Pandahan Varian, Wuhan Varian, Halat, with accumulated debt go khada. Lot various accounts bane NPA. And that is a source of insecurity to us. कि जो हमारे lending institutions हैं वो इस NPA के साथ क्या करेंगे, वो किस तरह चलेंगे इसके साथ, what will they do? We need to be careful about that. It is an opportunity also. It is something to be scared also. It is an opportunity also. So the people, the non-resident Kashmiris, they must look into this and see there is an opportunity for investment, good opportunity for investment, and this is the proper time to invest. And I would request them to have a positive view ki particular to investing. Baki economy jo hai, we know economy is going down everywhere. Agar na aise agriculture the aise thoda sa, I think we would have been on the road. Baki thoda sa agriculture or horticulture jo bacha raha hai, wahi bacha raha hai, baki nahi hai.
शुक्रिया रऊफ साहब इत कन तुम फरमो कि अनसर्टनटी बकर तथ पे थोड़ा सा ज्यादा फोकस कि तजब्जुबुक शिकार कि डेलिबरेटली थावने सह इंशाल्लाह लुक खबरदार तिमन पाए तो खैर यथ कन तुम वनान कि अत पे मे सह कहावत महावर अंग्रेजुक याद पेवान कि कशिर पे अगर बह तमिक निचोड़ कड़ सह कि तुम हेको अकिस कतलस निश कसब हेचित कि छुर किथ कन तेज करान विदाउट बाइंग हिज इंटेंशन कह मारनुक कि तम सज कत्ल करने इंटेंशन या नियत बाय करने वरे तम सुंद यह कसब हेको तुम तमिस निश नित कि तो हिकमत अल्लाह ताला दीनस मज थमच हिकमत सोरी कह ये अपॉर्चुनिटी बासी यम सतन पन्न कशरन कह मदद हेको कर हिफाजत हेको कर तो तिमन तिम यम मवाक़ या तिम अपॉर्चुनिटीज पजन तिम इस्तेमाल करने शफात साहब अगर बह तुह कुन यम तुहद बिजनेस एंगेजमेंट्स यथ मे इंट्रोडक्शन डीलिंग्स रोजम पन्ने बिजनेस कशीर मजन ते आई बिलीव तुह कॉल सेंटर ते मजन ओसमुत किन छा I'm not sure about the current status. तुहद एक्सपीरियंस क्या रूदमुत कर पे तुम मजन करान बिजनेस डीलिंग्स तो तम पतन तुहद क्या एक्सपीरियंस रूद अथ रिलेटेड यम अनसर्टनिटीज या इम्पेडिमेंट्स.
Assalamu alaikum. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, loud and proud.
Chalo tawsi sab assalamu alaikum. Me was pai ye kashir paitan ye as a program. First of all karo to mubarak am khatra kyaz ke ash Americas man zyada kashir bolan panwain then buchus kashir man bolan kashir man zyada lok urdu hi bolan to bich gasan hasrati. So godnithu mubarak tamuk ki toy koru choose your language san kyaz ke ish ak bod bar concern ak patti paju to ak program karun. Sign language is about to become relic. Agar na is seriously nemo to preserve karo. Dayim cheez janab, for those of you yum na me zanan buchus kashir hund Burnhall School graduate Roof sub us me akvari junior to at ke shuna bosu Jawai Nagar rozan and I moved to Los Angeles very young me gaven tait lagbhag 5 wari Buchus me bano computer software company Americas maz in California suti yus man yawan ch dunyu hok headquarter or mecca of technology as you all probably know तो अत मज जनाब युथुई मे कंपनी खोज लगभग 2001 हूँ कोर मे डिसाइड कि बह हसा करक कशीर एंगेज अत मज बह हसा बनाव कशीर मज अमुक ब्रांच ऑफिस तो मगर फर्क रोज ये कि बह कर स्टैंडर्ड्स एंड सिस्टम्स डेवलप तिथ कि यम करन प्रोड्यूस सॉफ्टवेयर युस दुनियास मज चले अमेरिकस मज चले लंदनस मज चले कैनाडास मज चले ऑस्ट्रेलियास मज चले न्यूजीलैंडस मज चले तो मे कर जनाब अली 10 नफर हायर इनिशियली 2002 मज आज 160 नफर करान काम सनिस ऑफिसस मज तति ये ऑफिस जनाब कशीर मज रंगरेटस मज एंड अख चीज वनो बह तुह कि युस यम सन एम्प्लॉई यमन बह पार्टनर वनान छुस यम तुथ काम करान कि अमेरिकन परेशान रोजान ऑनेस्टली so I'm very proud of Kashmiri younger generation especially to produce high quality work magar akh lesson chat khatre duniyas khatre especially Kashmir khatre कि यह नसा छुना कि अमेरिका हस मज लुक gifted. What the difference I noticed was that there is a system. American च बनावान system बाकी च follow करान सो system. सानि कशीर मज छुना system योसमुत. So या युस ओस सु defective system. मे तुल मे कोर American system implement in Kashir. So because of that system was strictly followed, they ended up producing the same quality of work you American employees kar me khadir na farka pata ka employee osan me Sydney Australia maz Los Angeles maz kin Rangretas maz kaam asim barabar same kara especially yele wan go na covid pata gay na gar sari tam pat roos no location bilkul irrelevant क्या कि गर्ज लुकन प्रोड्यूस कर कंटेंट बेस करान जूम मीटिंग हम तक कर सारी गर पे करान सो अत बने वो लोकेशन बिल्कुल बने इरेलीवेंट सो यह मान हिसाब एक्चुअली अपॉर्चुनिटी बिजनेस मैनन खतर कि तिमन बनो वन दुनिया प्लेइंग फील्ड एंड कशीर बिजनेस मैनन खतर सारी खुद ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट पज सोचुन कि अगर वन कर सह नॉलेज वर्कर हायर तेल क्या करन बह नॉलेज वर्कर सोपोरस मज हायर सिंगरनगरस मज बडगामस मज अनंतनागस मज पामपोरस मज पुलवामे कुन त जाए एज लॉन्ग एज तमिस आसि इंटरनेट युस शुक्र खुदायस कुन कशीर मज हेतुन वही युन ठीक पटन सो जनाब यह मेन बैकग्राउंड एंड I'm telling you as a proud Kashmiri कि this company that they have built is one of the top 500 companies in the world and you should kashir no kamal
बिल्कुल माशाअल्लाह पोज वन बुताई अलबत्ता एंड पॉइंट कशीर मजन पावर इंटरनेट तो आब ये कर यिन तो ये कर निन अमेरिकन भरोसा आसान की that's the biggest impediment hopefully you get sustain
can I make a quick point on that you think me kashir maz khoj na company militancy ठीक है लोकन वोन मे दोम खोले थे कंपनी दोम ये पावर मे दो बह लगाव 2 जनरेटर गो ना पावर मसल हल दोम ये इंटरनेट मे बह लगाव 3 इंटरनेट त्रनवे मा बेहना कि दोम ये लुक हड़ताल मे दो बह हम गाड़ी मल बह गर पे तुलान गर त्रावान सुबह ये हड़ताल लगन ब्रोटे दोमुक तूर मे बह बनाव बिल्डिंग तिस तूफानी महजर यह सेंट्रली हीटेड so I कर मे सारी challenges solve initially ना युथु मे study कर and that's exactly what I did मे बनाव building जनाब अली with American standards centrally heated गाड़ी करनायम रेंट तिमन गर पे तुलान गर त्रावान यम सात तिमन मर्जी गसे एम्प्लॉयन 2 जनरेटर थे 3 इंटरनेट प्रोवाइडर थो अखुस तिमन मज सैटेलाइट प्रोवाइडर क्या कि मज ना सो मेन पाइप सो इंटरनेट छानान सो अखुस डायरेक्टली थ्रू सैटेलाइट and with pride वनो बह पतम 20 वरियन मज कशीर मज गोमुत जहन ऑफिस ऐसे बंद ड्यू टू वेदर political conditions या बे कह चीज ना इंटरनेट रोदमुत डाउन गोमुत डाउन मगर ऐसे बैक so point I was making कि where there is a will there is a way
Absolutely. I think beach point the business attitude kivan. Sushma already daimis ya treimis rounds khatra variya aham sawal thomut.
Correct.
अच्छा business vision या attitudes तब्दील करने की ज़रूरत कश्मीर में ज़न ये तो अगर मैं मोल श businessman तो मैं छु बन रही तो ब्याह के एक न बनती या तो इस मीरास छु बनावान comparatively अगर इस western में शो तो अच्छे attitude वारिया different तो तात् पेटन ती करो इसका
Correct.
Prince अगर तो हिनिशन बुवात वंकेनस as a businessman तो हित छु multinational dealings आसान based in UK तो अगर बह तोह वनमो एज अ कोशर युस पन्नि कशीर कुन छु वचान एज अ मार्केट तोह कम opportunities शो अतिमान तो तोह कम major impediments शो अत मजन बासान major यम तोह अड़चन शो बासान business करने
First of all, Assalamu alaikum all. Assalamu alaikum Tawseed sir, and shukriya for inviting me for this wonderful session. Which was yuti Kashir never chu neran insan chu sari imzan Kashirin pyar mohabbat chu bulan pat asan peun focus asan karun how to achieve your goals and objectives. Tund you question chu Uçak Kashirimiz kya traditional businesses chi more focus karan lok tim chu sonchan ye main mal chu kurmut ye main bidbavan chu kurmut main khandan istihsa karoti ya urchi gazan doctor kun engineering kun yemozan tinj family mez yim ti professions chi koshish karan ti magar achoy vuchunas out of box sochun winka education mashallah very good Kashirimiz Sari graduate चाहे तुम कशीर में पढ़ा outside कशीर में पढ़ा तो क्या छु professionalism च आने in terms of out सोचुन outside the box यम जन traditional businesses च never सोचुन इतके शवाद सबन explain कर IT छु software छु arts and crafts च already there मगर arts and crafts च बाकी किस्म यम जन छु paintings च Yemaz Baki arts and arts, photography, tim profession chu now, which using youth chutati look into the entrepreneurial separate school. So chun chu iskim business hako kare yedzan as a challenge karo traditional businesses. Bukar pan background use me chu engineering background, me chu REC Srinagar kurme 86 is pass out. Tampa dras was with Dilkara Nokri Transon variant, Tampatas be UK. The around last 25 years she's moving UK months. The Makaras come good experience Kurme gain, Tampat Kurme Bajan Company and months, KPMG months, British Petroleum months, Kurme experience gain, Tampat Kurme's business start engineering business. The Yemsit so experience for the guy useful. So one and to make you shouldn't straight away gasun businesses months. Businesses should sold in business strategy catch, long-term visions catch, short-term visions catch. Agar as business to shen tratan months catch be at businesses sochan achieve karn. But various time don't vary and catches be achieve as karn long-term paths vary. So as gashes properly business strategy, properly path asun ya per business should. Because back at cheese excursion, focus cheese spet karanke. Which cheese gore 50% what no atna chaloniki throw in one gaso base. So code magar main chuchu Western businesses or European businesses or US businesses, why they are successful, timanchi strategy asan temperature focus karan. Tim chin divert karan, timanchu vision asan, so entrepreneurial skills asan. Tim chu socha na ye business banavan be kamyab at me chu focus committed asan te ash alhamdulillah varia resources kashiriman varia business types seko kari looking into the local requirements mans kya asan so kit kan karo local business khada tat mans kya requirement chu locally is kit kan karo par technology involved in atman मिसाल के तौर पर आर्किटेक्चर बिजनेस छु इंजीनियरिंग बिजनेस छु मेडिकल टेक्नोलॉजी बिजनेस छु सोनी ड्राई फ्रूट बिजनेस छु हाउ वी कैन मेक इट इनोवेटिव यूजन मॉडर्न बिजनेसेस मन छु व्हिच हैज विनकेस बन्यो बिजनेस बन्यो ग्लोबल विनकेस सप्लाई चेन communication, emails, Zoom. It is very easy now to do. Bronte it can Shafat Saban could explain varia objections or varia mushkilat siwan. Magar var the mushkilat hal gasan by using the technology, by using the latest supply chain procedures, processes. To such wuchunas businesses, even traditional business ya new business timun chu sochun ki long term short term businesses kit kan karawais yem sit ase outside the Kashmir Indian market as well as global markets but focus karo tat kun chu sochunas
बिल्कुल प्रिंस अब इसके अंत बनाने से कि कश्मीर में मेन मकसद ये है इसके प्रोग्राम के हिंदुस्तान के मार्केट और नेबर कितने करो इसे एक्सपैंड या वुचो है को तेम नेबर कितने है को इस होराइजन्स माने यम बड़े विद रोफ सब अगर बतौन युस्ती एम्ब्रो ऐसे काट करां तो है वनुसु प्रिकैरियस सिचुएशन या अनसर्टेनिटी का चाचे तत् मद्देनजर थवित अगर इस काट करो युस इस एम्ब्रोहिमिस पैनलिस्ट इश्कोर मतलब लगभग वो लोग तत् वरी कस्टिवाइन कि कम ये स्मॉल या मीडियम लेवल बिजनेसेस यम अगर सन नौजवान कश्मीर हिंद वचो तिम हेकन तत् कुन लीन कर थोड़ा सा यम ज्यादा लुक्रेटिव या ज्यादा तिमन हेकन सस्टेनेबल बनित तत् खतर कम रिसोर्सेज या स्किल्स जरूरत आस तो बे पत यम तोही बड़ बिजनेस प्लेयर्स कश्मीर अंदर तिम कितकन हेकन तिमन थोड़ा सा बॉलस्टर करित या तिमन मदद करित रोफ साहब तुह म्यूट तुह अनम्यूट करुन You'll have to unmute.
Yes. Youth में तजुर्बे छु बुचुस विंते मानान कि कश्मीर छाक investors heaven. There are ample opportunities, but one just needs to look at them. So to the sector yatmaz में विंकेनस in open field छु. Ekis कशिश खतर छु totally विंकेनस in open field चाहे सो aggregate economy, I see food processing, I see IT, I see, yes, one of the, I have maintained a sentence I always say that we have missed the green revolution, we have missed the white revolution, we have missed the blue revolution, we have missed the IT bus, we have missed the BT bus. Shafat Saab's success is an indication that IT could have been a game changer for us also. It is a proof. No? In social laws, exception is the law. Exception proves the law. Shafat Saab's success is what could have happened in IT. We have again missed the BT bus, but all these opportunities are still available with us. All these opportunities are wide open to us. And the government is very much aware that yes, these are the things that we can sell. Tourism, tourism is a vast field. Hotels, shikaras, houseboats, they are not tourism. We don't have any commitment towards adventure tourism. We don't have means I also Vancouver. You met that was I think previously Olympic Winter Olympics area. You met I was shocked. हमने तो start भी नहीं किया है tourism का. So all the opportunities lay there open. Minerals में तो हमने खाली cement industry थोड़ी सी बड़ी है. Minerals में वो हमारा है. Minerals are again widely open. These are the times when a good businessman, चाहे उस पर local ऐसे या neighboring ऐसे, he has to look into opportunities and encash those, invest in those opportunities. One of the means agriculture. Agriculture means we are just cultivating. We are not doing value addition. Food processing chu varia kam. Awesome. Food processing must I can count. Canning chu thoda pick up those. Again, it is not very there. Dairying has picked up a lot. Dairying has picked up a lot. Canning chu. Baki small food processing. I would not advise people to go into small scale. This is infrastructure. Especially, I am very optimistic about the Banihal Tunnel. Once the Banihal Tunnel opens, the road between Jammu to Srinagar will be 4 or 5 hours max. So, हमको वहाँ से बहुत बड़ा उसका flash आएगा. मगर यहाँ पर भी अगर हमने अच्छी स्केल की इंडस्ट्रीज डाली जिनका रॉ मटेरियल कश्मीर में है, जिनका रॉ जो दैट विल बी आवर यूएसपी. फुल market of India, at least North India, is in front of us. But we need to look at it with optimistic mind and investment karni hai. This is the time that we need to invest.
Tatni shuna base sawal iwan ro. So number one baki toy banu Vancouver ya baki jai. That the vision is ki government se aage bhi insan ko sochna hai. Government much business. So business is beyond government. So let's forget government for the moment. Daim cheez chi ki yus youngster as do win to shu panwana uncertainty ya kambar shu phutmut iktisadiyatas. Tat agar ak youngster kyunki we know unemployment ya baki halat kya chi. Your one is talent de. Temis nish ma heko is expect karit ki su kar variya board business run. Tat mazin chu tuhund role iwan ki at least godness su initial step tulna khatra tuhans kya zimmedari ch banan timan ko.
We are doing mentoring. We may be not putting our money where our word is, but we are doing mentoring. Once anybody approaches us with the idea, we are giving guidances. We are holding university meets. We are holding. We are encouraging people to investments karni hai. But yehi hai ki means winkenas shunu koshur bachi yus neran job is skilled yus neran chu. So neither there is no lending taking place, there is lack of technical exposure. You yes expect Karanchi, you say should never should. Not only financial resources. We are looking for technology. We are looking for technical and managerial know-how. You know, that is very important. That is what our youngsters, that is what our next generation is looking up to. Which is bilkul principles ittifaq thawan ki old economy halaki in all these 30 40 50 years it is he has to acknowledge that it is the old economy industry that has sustained us whatever little chahe so handicraft aise chahe so handloom handicraft horticulture aise they have sustained our economy agar isko kuch chal raha hai to unki badaulat chal raha hai saffron cultivation is a indication you want to choose kya awas bav kyut awas kong kyut draw handicraft cash because those are our positive cash flow you want. The rest is all negative cash flow from the state. We are very keenly watching what is the positive inflow so that we can do our economy there. But opportunities, there are ample opportunities.
Bilkul, I agree with you. Just the point ki reliance bade Prince, please.
Yeah, Anand Bukar add you roofs of one. Which are main chuchun ki kosher business, how small businesses can escalate or expand, as well as the new businesses will get the infrastructure, resources, capability, and capacity. Because you know business cho asanas used to it is like a small seed. Yitis na ati kya kosher potsu lafaz ati cherish karne. But by proper advice, then it will not go to the level. Now, Roop Sabanun investment, which has Kashiri business and Chubuchun traditionally from Jammu Kashmir Bank outside. Kitkai Hakos investment seek it. So, investment seek Karna Khatri Kakaman procedure, Kaka fulfillment chikarin. Dunik Varia institution Yimchi Yasakari investment in a place like Kashmir. World Bank, Asian Development Bank, European Development Bank, United States Manchavaria, yeah, even private investment companies, they want to do it. Magar Timanchu fulfill requirements, Karin Timanchu, how one project kachu, business kachu, how it can be successful. So we telik one yelzen local business and so advice karne consultancy di din Timani explain karne kitkai. To traditional business, to traditional business to expand by no business. Business and not only into the Indian local collaboration, yeah, Indian vision current global banao. Yet is an whichun American companies sit can karos collaboration, European companies sit can karos collaboration. It can Shabat Sabanwun. Not only in IT sector, various other sectors. ये वुचतो तुम बिजनेस तम सिर्फ गसान दिल्ली एजेंटस वन दपान असा ये इक्विपमेंट या ये सर्विस but now the communication is so open tim hekan pan gashit global suppliers or the global manufacturers when how we can do the collaborative manufacturing, how we can do the collaborative approach in terms of services. Acha to vishto kashir manchas yim zan chi medical equipments ya engineering equipments yim chi dilli pet yiwan ya baqi jay pet chi engineer yiwan tim chi servicing karan tim chi karan maintenance kashir mans kaj hekne kashir engineer yim zan very knowledgeable chi karan maintenance and servicing companies karan tit business khada yet zan not only they can do it in the kashir mans but tim hakan pata india's mans to globally tikari. So infrastructure su cheez aware karun ki traditional business to increase karun to नए business से ideas to आनु.
बिल्कुल सही प्रिंस साहब थोड़ा अच्छा यह है कि नजर ये बढ़ाने की कोशिश करन. हाँ रऊफ साहब तो म्यूट
मुझे fully agree करान वानी साहब से और मैं आपको एश्योर करता हूँ कि हमारे जो बच्चे हैं they are already walking this path. They are already getting exposed to latest technology. They are already doing this, but we need to mentor them. Simply, agar मैं आक बच्चे छु engineering instrumentation engineering करमस छु, I have to encourage him into making capital goods in Kashmir. We are trying to create as many capital goods as possible in Kashmir, because until our capital goods industry doesn't pick up, our industry will not be very strong. हो रहा है, but at this time just scale पे हो रहा है. This is a competition. There is a race going on. आप जिस scale पे चल रहे हो, small scales, बिल्कुल I do not agree with small scales. Small scales are unviable things. You have to have a economics of scale, a viable economics of scale in any venture. Ash panen bachan dokh diwan ki small scale kariyo. Small scale chunu viable. No, it has to be a viable economic scale has to be there. Vanisa, do you agree with me on this?
बराबर मगर which at the same time chu kunti economy hun chu yatman both SMEs, small scale industries, as well as the mid scale and the top scale. Now, to absolutely correct कि युजन chu आप युजन chu युजन manufacturing plant ची या युजन bit collaborative business ची of course that मन chu manufacture small scale business hekin बनाई manufacturing plant. Now, I will tell you traveri brotas kur me kam me कर ekis fittings to valve manufacturers sit kat me bachu jaisa kashir mein plant khada karne khatre tatrawas plant ke raw material ano India pe yuzun supply pad gasa India ke tim is ready karne khatre, but the problem was akas the security problem was numbers kathas uthi regular ye wuchne documentary requirements the big government is an red tape. So Tamsid guys thoda pot patman but I have still got that in my mind. You should at some stage Khudaina use karo. But Suchu Tithakam, which you have to explain to the outside manufacturing companies, yeah, servicing company, to explain Karun what we can bring on the table from the Kashmir. Which is Javari Tanli Hund, but bar a hindrance to Yuan. Kashmir has such a locked place, how you can supply to the Indian market, which is Kashmir is much fun market to the board king. Agar to manufacturing plant that through you, it is very important to output your product issue, so gase supply wider market is gas. Now to which varia Indian companies or Timoka collaboration, you will not believe it, come giant chukurmit, Maharashtra, ya Tamil Nadu, Kiman Gaman Manchison, Kashirin Gamcha had that large budget in better in terms of resources and capability. Magar Timon Kao study Akizo security because Ostuman Vilki Timon Hovuk is on foreign companies Timon Kuru show. how the benefit can be, how we can do the wider market. Teach one Kashir Manchun businessmen you tim sell current to any manufacturing plant set up carbon. So vision to strategy guys asking how they can supply to the wider Indian market and the foreign market. Distribution network guys in place, marketing strategy guys asking, sorry, end-to-end guys strategy. So raw material, yeah, supply chain is easy. You can get the raw material quickly. Jawahar Tunnel, gun. So it is not a big. And now with the latest technology, raw material shouldn't do with users and equipments and the machines. Combined with the technology, banavan very nice sleek product. Back actually main point. Actually, last point of this.
Sure.
But about a problem, it is not only Kashir, Indian industry, the Indian manufacturing quality. That is the biggest issue for a world global purchasers. Quality. Main issue Kashir Indian product and Sonchun quality. Using as an India varia company fairly I think product globally. Because they didn't bring in the quality management in their products or the services like Chinese did. Chinese product packaging, yeah, manufacturing kitchen. So that quality concept using culture businesses. Shortcut massacre yeah, you have to give full potential, you have to give full commitment to the product which you are producing. Because quality is a very, very important and must component of any successful business. So guys, quality some job in culture business.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Although like as agreements and disagreements are some different. Because I think yeles cheese karan cheese madnazar thavin. To zad pai kyunki to sahib nazar to experience the albata yim as bronken pehlu chiva. Number one be evan soy ki yetes katch karan ki yus aam koshur chi yemis halat kharab chi gamas pet me 500 वरियो पे में 10 वरियो पैटर्न तेमिस निश क्या से एक्सपेक्ट करां कि रोजा अथी हालतस मज युस अमीर सुन इंडस्ट्री बने तो हु कित कन गस ऑगमेंट युस लकुट बाग वोल या बाकी दयिम चीज कि एनवायरमेंटली कित्या वायबल युस यम ऑप्शंस यमन हंस कत करां फॉर एग्जांपल रऊफ सबन कर सीमेंट इंडस्ट्री हंस कत या अगर यीचा बड़ बना अमुक इम्पैक्ट क्या सैफरन कल्टिवेशन या सोन युस लार्जर एनवायरमेंट तथ पे कूता वातान तमुक इम्पैक्ट तिम चीज तिश मद्देनजर थावन या तिम वायबल मॉडल्स वुचन अगर फॉर एग्जांपल तो ज्यादा मे खुद बेहतर पाए कि फॉर एग्जांपल अगर वो डेयरी इंडस्ट्री एक्चुअली स्विट्जरलैंडस चलावान बैंको वैंको अगर तिम त्रावो यम गलत फहमी ये सह डेयरी इंडस्ट्री पे पकान इथे कन अगर न्यूजीलैंड कत करो या बाकी चीज कैश क्रॉप्स सन ये रऊफ सबन कत कर कि कैनिंग या डेयरी यम चीज कूता पिकअप करान कशीर मज I think yim tish pehlu yim maddenazar thavin before us karo kah plan. Shafat sab agar bu tohe kun yeten has been quite some time now. The zi cheez kyunki bakar bay pick up yeten roof saban throw ki investment ish zarurat kashir mazin variya chu sujai tiza chu vacuum yeten investment hek getsit to chu kashir sedin yet ken tu banana su dealing rules muz ye foreign you sun kashir nebr chu यम आबाद तिहुंद कूता कंट्रीब्यूशन रोजान अगर रेमिटेंसेस हज कत करो इस कशीर अगर तुह कह आइडिया क्योंकि तुह ऑलरेडी कत ये करान अत चीज इफ नॉट एन इशू असली सवाल मोन कि एथिकली अगर वो या जिम्मेदारी हिसाब अकिस आम कशरस खुदायन आबाद कोर्मुत नेबर तमिस कसा जिम्मेदारी वातान आयद सपदान कि पन्ने माज कशीर कुन यी सु तथ कुन तमच इकोनॉमी इतकन कत करान या तमिक मार्केट तथ कर थोड़ा कंट्रीब्यूट सो दैट यम सान माज कशीर मजन बय बेन यमन जरूरत अपॉर्चुनिटी यमन सास 10,000 रुपयन खतर तम जॉब्स पेवान तुलन यम तम यछान कहीं तिमन खतर गसन तम मौके यम पैदा.
So very good question, Tawsi sab. Ethically, क्या responsibility Shafat Qazi's to help Kashmir? Basically, chu tuhun fundamental question thi. Ya kaht nafar yus Kashiri never draw. temis cha ethically, morally kind responsibility to help Kashmiri? And I would say absolutely yes. As a matter of fact, my philosophy cha कि कशरिस कैसे करे गॉड कशरी हेल्प सिख करस न पंजाबी करस न अंग्रेज करस न तिम छ पन्ने कम्युनिटी हेल्प करान सिख कम्युनिटी छ सिखन हेल्प करान तथा कनी छ अंग्रेज करान अंग्रेजन हेल्प हिंद छ करान हिंदन हेल्प कशर पज कशरस हेल्प करो ये छ सैन मे बसान इन अ वे मॉरल रिस्पांसिबिलिटी नॉट एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ कि परुन बिजनेस छ डिसरप्ट करुन या फेवर छ करन ती छु न करुन के करुन छ ती ये करान छु तुई बाकन सित ये तोय वन ज सप्लायर छु अगर अख कोशर छु अख नॉन कोशर छु कोशर छु प्रेफरेंस दिन एज अ कश्मीरी कैज कि तमिस दिन नॉन कोशर दिन तमिस प्रेफरेंस सु छु पन्निस नफस दिवान प्रेफरेंस तमिस छु पन्निस मस ट्रस्ट आसान सो एब्सोल्युटली यस दयम चीज छु कि युस कश्मीरी डायस्पोरा छु कशीर नेबर तिहंज वेल्थ छु वारिया कंबाइंड वेल्थ छु वारिया अगर कशर डायस्पोरा चाहन तिम हेकन इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन अनित कशीर मस बाय रोस फैज बनान मेंटोरशिप्स incubators hekan create karit business mentorship hekan create karit and they can make them very successful ke prince I say wani sir you can become a mentor you can become other things acha wealth is even wire post is for diasporas wire ye as akis dohos maz kabawan ch su ch kashir maz bichar nafar ka kamawan various ratas so it's easy ke as karo help me ch sirf puchmut bono to personally Facebook पे Instagram पे अगर मशीद बनावी तथ तमाम कशर दिवान पोस तो तोर फिक्र अमेरिका पे जापान पे लंदन पे ये कशरस कंस बिजनेस बनाव तथ कहीं तमिस मदद कर एंड रिजल्ट इज कि सन कशीर रोजान पथ तो गरीब सो यस एथिकली मेन रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नॉट ओनली कि कशर हेचनावी कि कित कन पज तिमन सेल्फ सस्टेन गसन बट सो इनिशियल दक दिन तो फिक्र सो इनिशियल दक दिन मगर वेरी क्लियरली हैंड आउट न दिन के कैज कि तेल गस डिपेंडेंट इनिशियल दक दिन एंड देन मोस्ट होपफुली कि यमा गसन पत पान सस्टेन बो वनो तो बोस ओत्र करान कशर के कर लंडनस मन सो लड़का अख सोस म्यानी कंपनी खतर काम करान सो लंडनस मज गुमुत तम पन कंपनी खुम सॉफ्टवेयर कंपनी माशाल्लाह करान वारिया असल सो मे दपान से अगर यह मज अस कत पाई क्या गो सॉफ्टवेयर चान सत खुलियो मे नजरिया बुत वोतुस माइक्रोसॉफ्टन कोर्मस पत सिलेक्ट तमो सूस बह लंडन वन गोस बह ये सेटल वन खुज मे पन कंपनी यह पिरामिड इफेक्ट गसान यह बे लीनियर की एक्सपोनेंशियल सो अगर तुम दोन नफरन हेल्प करियो तिम करन दोन नफरन हेल्प तिम गई न चोर के तिम गई जनाबी अली 8 नफर करियो तो हेल्प इंस्टेंटली सो एज लॉन्ग एज अस कशर दपो है 5% 10% ऑफ माय इनकम कैन गो टुवर्ड्स गाइडिंग कश्मीरीज स्मॉल परसेंटेज या अगर मैं कार्मोश नफर हायर बा करन कशर हायर तल कशीर में छा कह इसमें हेल्प कर बाय द वे ब्याख अक चीज वुच में कि मिथ डायस्पोरस मज स्पेशली तिमन राय कि कशर नाबकार तो फिक्र कशर ना तगान खास क्या या गो वक्त जाय करुन यम करुन हायरी मगर एट द सेम टाइम तिमे डायस्पोरा दिवान सास $1 कशर कारपेटस खतर सास $1 कशर पश्मीन शालस खतर राइट सो तिमे सास $1 दिवान ज्वेलरी खतर कश्मीर ज्वेलरी एंड अंग्रेजन ते वुचान तिम ते हेवान सो at some point she recognize korum ki ase heko banait superior quality products yath maz ase expertise gasan the fact that you are expecting ki ase ase expertise in technology and everything else that doesn't happen overnight so for that achievement mentor kare and once we mentor them ye main employee kor hasil te hekan kah ti kosher hasil karit as long as we have leadership and main fundamental philosophy is ki अगर तुम कह ऑब्जेक्शन यह मज तुम सोचो यह ऑब्जेक्शन तुम सोचो यह अपॉर्चुनिटी तुम करो कन्वर्ट यह ऑब्जेक्शन इनटू अपॉर्चुनिटी तो यस ते चैलेंज तो यी तुम सोचो ये challenge is my way to prove success. So if I overcome this challenge, then I have overcome the hurdle. So if you change the thinking of people, that will lead to a successful relationship between Kashmiri diaspora, who میانہِ حسابہٕ are ambassadors of Kashmir, and the Kashmiri people, especially younger generation, yath pet asہِ hope pin karin che कि they can look up. And कम ताईं वोन शायद वानी सबन वोन दुनिया बन्यो लकुट आज छ कोशुर लड़कस ज्यादा पाई अमेरिकच देन अमेरिकन लड़कस पाई अमेरिकच. Dunya go shrink because of social media and all of that. So now we can play in this playground equally. So for us not to see this as an opportunity would be a big miss. Rousseau was the one we missed Habastigas, miss Yibastigas, miss, but just when Sariko Birdbash, which is world hitun flat agasun, Yibastigas miss Kasinki.
बिल्कुल शुक्रिया शफात साहब. तो appropriate शिपाइस पैठन ये बस गेस्ट मिस गसन के रोब सब sure.
Tarsi sab, a question I would like my co-panelists to say.
Sure.
I am not looking for my business community in Kashmir, I am not looking for any help. I am looking for partnership. I am looking for the diaspora, for the non-Kashmiri, non-resident Kashmiri to invest through the ways of fixed deposit investments through venture capital into a partnership. Today, a very big danger is looming large on our business community. We are a lot of NPAs because business is really key. A lot of hotels, a lot of businesses are NPAs at this time, and we are not very uncertain to what's going to happen with them. And I have been advocating to them that aap equity dhundo, venture capital dhundo, and come out of this NPA net, come out of this NPA trap. That is what I am looking for. Let the people outside look at me. Ek investment opportunity hai. There is a good hotel. Ye bichara NPA mein phasega. Kal ye iski option hogi. No, we will invest in this. You know, that is the way I want you people to look at it. Jaise tomorrow koi industry aati hai. Invest as partners. Don't give us help.
बिल्कुल.
We are not looking for free bites. Don't feed us fish. Teach us fishing. That is the model that has to be.
Bukar build yeten to this Rauf sab Dr. Mubin Shah Timosha is comment kormut ki as per their information 4 crore rupees chu vinkenas NPA yum as local kosher business chu and timan karan when till banks take over kyunki tim gasan diwaliya yum chu dapan ki diaspora yaman hekya panwen relit ki tim hekan yaman khotra venture capital fund banayit. It's just a seed. You say plant karan yath petan further discussions hakan gets it. So this is a thing to be discussed in detail. तो इस तरह वो ये तन ये तो अलबत्ता ये ज़हन मज़न थावन. रो प्रिंस अब अगर बु तोहिन निशन ये तन यम तो ये कहीं कहते इसु करान कि किस कहीं से expand का सुनियल तो ये वनु कि तो ये spare parts या different forms of like materials जिससे बना चुकी कशीर मज़ करो शुरू. I think करबु ब्याह सवाल तो है कि beyond agar is show traditional industries yum kashir mazan ch pashmina handicraft agar temich kat karo yus yum industries ch for example yum like machine ya mechanical materials yum se dan tu should deal karan sukuta viable ch agar is kashir hind hisab kat karo yus mein anyo be ki environmentally ya ecologically cha is viable this industries run karan khatra agar chu kosher businessman ya ak middle class ladka yus graduate go ya yem engineering kar so hekya ye shuru kare temis kum kutah like at capital like temis khatra kya step shi tulnuk agar ak initial guidance is hekot mandit at related
which is of course tim hakan karit. So as I said earlier ki timon chu properly karun business strategy banaun business plan banaun kus product chu karun tat per bazar pe research karun market kuta chu kashir maz kuta market chu outside kashir kuta market chu due diligence karun bazar te per which is unikyo chu if you see ki India pe kuta mal chiva fittings flanges construction items या बाकी product medical products Varia Chiva Indian pet, Timtich Banawa, but now Kursan businessman chu sochun in a reverse way. Agar instead of India pet anan, agar yet karo plant pan khada, is karo pan local requirement fulfill at the same time, Sakopat Indian market is supply kare as well as global markets. So as you can be explain also technology chi teacher when gumits efficient. कि वंचन तिम बज मशीनरी प्लांट बनाने खतर अच्छो आसान specific technology based plant खड़ा करें but most important thing is कुछ product इस करो तात पर ची बाज़ार पर आसान करें ये strategy बनावें due diligence करें मिसाल के तौर पर mechanical product cha electronic product cha parts around da bahvari bront os ak idea ki kashir this environment was ideal for chip building mas IC chips banane khatre kya usual environment it is same like Japan matlab zyada garmi chhe thandi chhe at kya chi wana so this project hacken gasi tate but you chu wuchun ke whose product gets kamyab based on the technology available India but globally and at the same time to bazab to put current at due diligence close businesses because there are some very good engineers even innovative knowledge even innovative thoughts even innovation current how do we innovate not only in the products applications apps IT apps yeah baki cheez but we have to first timan engineering business timan shun as I was explaining godnet ke shortcut shun karan ke bazabt put focus you timan idea or yeah opportunity inside that opportunity should focus karan so opportunity kit can you from the ground level all the way to the end execute karan so but it is product should focus because when use an economy you will need every kind of product one chuka hasa important kancha essential kancha non-essential so there can be factories can be built there plants can be set up but you should culture one bechu baak cheezes kashir man chu engineer banan the first thing they think bucket can wat dil tat kar nokri ya bucket can wat America ya bucket can wat London so very good but out of 10 or 20 or 100 sarima gasan mein London ya America ya you should question engineering solution how we can build up the local economy as well as we will build up the company or the businesses which can be viable on a long term basis not only just to get the loan or venture capitalists or the finance but share ratan 70 ratan various chalo to bas qurban na you have to have a long term vision yizan Kimzen vision bazar to purchase product is as choose karan after 10 years you go to time wadi kit can have upscale kare so but there is ample opportunity which is otros mein ak nafar banan I didn't even know myself the panus kashir manzachi there are herbs from forest products and herbs which are very frequently used in the pharmaceutical industries Most junglan manchi jadi booty near achi kashiri man. So can a business can be built on that? Using tati paper processing team herbs and then packaging and supply to the pharmaceutical companies. So but these are the types of products that available. But you have to focus on that. It's a country it can roofs of food processing. Now, agar to which apples and walnuts it is one of the cream products in Kashmir. Agar tim combine current with the latest technology, with the latest packaging, with the latest supply chain management, not only in India market, tim can explore Middle East market, explore Turkey market, explore US UK market. Because if we to supply chain, India maximum 2 weeks. European markets. So you have to think, the businessman should think how we can think outside the box. In the new businessmen as well as the traditional businesses.
Bilkul, Prince, that's very appropriate. The Rauf sab, agar bu toy kunim Meshtahi nishan tahi diu pa jawab supplementary pe. क्योंकि तो यस गॉडनेथ ही तो पॉइंट करबो अगर इस कशीर हंस काते वचो इस बेसिकली अ एग्रेरियन इकोनॉमी तो although अस खुम तम बॉगी मैन दितमित कि ये टूरिज्म चलावान तो सोरी तथ पे युस ऐसे 90% कशरन शायद गलत फहमी तो बह गलत तथ मज एग्रेरियन इकोनॉमी खुदायन युस ऐसे दितमुत तथ पे पकान अत चीज़स मज कम चीज़ तिम यम इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे हेको एक्सपोर्ट कर या इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड हेको बनवित तो युस सोन कोशर डायस्पोरा तिमन सत कित कन हेको अस अत चीज़स पे लिएज करित युस तोह पनुन बिजनेस सेंस छु कि रेगुलेशंस क्या गवर्नमेंटन कम रूल या क्या चीज छिन थमित तिम क्रॉस करित कि ये युस तोह वनु सु वेंचर्स या कंसोर्शियम्स गसन तिथि खड़ा ये एक तरफ सोन कोशर बिजनेसमैन बेक तरफ पन्नी कोशर युस नेबर आबाद एक्सपोर्ट गस तत स्टैंडर्ड्स पे
to start ये जब वानी सबन थ्रो वन वानी सबस आकर वानी सब मेचस आ कंपनी चलान perhaps one of the first companies to start commercial cultivation of aromatic plants. This sector we discussed about herbs, maps. Medicinal and aromatic plants sector in agriculture. Do you know Manasbal, also Asia's biggest parathum farm was at Manasbal. Then the rest is history. And Janpeta is lavender like cultivate, lavender like which is to export karan so in scheme, which is to all over India when can. We have been able to get a GI, not get a GI, but inquiries for Kashmir lavender, not for English lavender or French lavender, and we are equal to that. We are getting Kashmir lavender inquiries. Which the day I got a first inquiry from US as Kashmir lavender, we want a Kashmir lavender. I was thrilled. Chalo, US to vote Kashmir lavender now. It's a very important sector. Maps is a very important sector. And a very diverse. Every plant is an industry within itself. In Maps, every single plant is an industry within itself. Now, we are trying to do lavender cultivate for rosemary cultivate, aromatic plants cultivate. The second stage is value added items. Cosmetics banin, human gaswu, baki cheese banin, taki human gets value add, use as pat never happo, massage oils, cosmetics, aromatic oils, itranamazin, perfumes mazin, temkin chase karan. So that is to you. Aggregators manchas, agriculture manchas, means akachas agriculture mazia. Buchus Chahan means agriculture mans, you must unique cheeses. Lavender chuna Kashiri apari cultivate gasan India's most kunjai. As for as Timoniusu, Arunachal Tinuk, Assam Tinuk, but that guy this success came. So you just found an USP. Actually, my USP identify kari. You my USP chase. I thought you pata soon su kamad su zag. Tum exotic races you might ask. Luckily, the Agriculture University has preserved that germ plasma, and they have given it to a person to cultivate it. Wo cultivate ho raha hai. That can be as an exotic crisis varieties that can be exported. It's a wide open field. We just need people to just grab them up. Horticulture choice, floriculture is something which we really need to work on. Floriculture is something that we really need to work on. Agriculture. Let's go into animal husbandry. Animal husbandry from poultry to dairy to sheep breeding to fisheries, wide open. So in trout, I said opportunities, but what we lack is so the factor of uncertainty, that is what is hindering our growth. Almond choice, walnut choice, means walnut is something which is very unique to Kashmir. Very unique to Kashmir.
The product chunas Kanguch.
Kanguch, yes.
Yeah.
You will not believe now cultivation of Kanguch has started. There are people who have been able to cultivate it.
Absolutely. Bosus Kara as brought a very don't worry also like his pharmaceutical he was director. They won ititemis me won Bosus Kashirun. Dupun hai ashi dilipet karnama supply kosher kangich for pharmacy. We are using that. The Medobsa as Karam brought I knew kangich mechi came it, but I didn't know how important it is. You are absolutely right. TTT USP, it can product where you can market them globally.
And we have the know-how. We have the know-how, but we need commitments in business.
Belki bir cheese to European market there are flowers and plants which very karan use it flower every occasion. You will not believe it, some of the flowers South America youth.
Sir,
24 hours.
South Africa se plants ja rahe hain. South Africa
Ja
se
rahe.
plants ja rahe hain.
Exactly. But also bana bosu pani wife mami se agar kachirin plant imdan flowers yotin im gasan pareshani hal tut color which is tut yes aromatic which is but that is something you can do those types of products you can explore the global market.
Wani sir, tashu pata certain seeds whose bird business as Kashiri karan. Tum kuch seed as produce karan Kashiri. Bulbs, flowers, seeds, vegetable bulbs, vegetable seeds. It was a huge business running in hundreds of crores in Kashmir. Certain seeds was a huge business in Kashmir.
I think you topic go explore क्योंकि ऐसे करा and run out of time. As was this Pandora's box खोलूं, पत आका की उसे में पहलू शित के निस last year करो, इस करो हर एक इस पट specialized inshallah discussion. तो agrarian
Tausif sab, it is becoming nostalgic. You know, I can see Wani sahab, I can see Shawad sahab. You know what was. You know, हम इस पर आप पूछने लगे हैं what was की बात कर रहे हैं हम. चलिए, continue, please.
What was this? What is this? Mujna farakat is this tamatok varia chalo.
But then when we see what was, we know what is the potential, what is the future.
Absolutely, bilkul. So it should actually logic the SK program. Shafat sab agar bu toh ko niyam agrarian trao is yal. IT industry has agar is kaat karo. Yus we can show like modern currency or modern means of engaging with the world. IT potential kuta ch Kashir mazan. To pat agar isken student ya yum youngsters ch Kashir hind. Tim kuta hekan pannis panas ya tim students ya yum itken train ch karan pannis panas. Tim kitken hekan pannis panas further at Jesus mazan strengthen karit ki pannis panas khatra te banan asset to pannis komas khatra te banan assets and economy kitken hekan sid boost kesit.
Absolutely. Janab, a point ITS maz information technology maz yiki. I'm raw material intangible technically. It's the knowledge. And ak cheez dun credit Kashrin yam khatar bad proud chus ki Kashir maz culture of education. Har kah parent chahan pan sure sozun school college degree karna one IT whatever means and methods tim karan magar they are working very hard ki son sure sagos karun kuin cosmic education in parun. And when we make Kashir mas khuj company hun branch office, this was my biggest challenge ki meosna aite banan trained professionals, kids that would be well educated to be ready to work in an American company. So I support collaborate Janabi Ali Kashmir University second the IUST second. We would send people to train them and work with their curriculum and everything. So we went to the grassroots. I score rewrite the Hunsori coursework. Taki they're really taught what is to be, not what was to be. So I personally think considering the weather, because Kashmir is a cold area, the thriving places, where programmers thrive are cold weather places. And as long as you garmi demo and power demo and relevance demo and satisfaction demo, you can produce some of the finest software from Kashmir. And as you probably already know, software is eating the world. And for the next 20 years, technology will continue dominating everything from our banking to our communication. Bus chus toy siti ke kath karan Dubai pethan winkesan, hum chi karan wani sab England pethan, and this is only possible because somebody wrote the software. Yem ye possible core. What stops a Kashmiri kid from writing the next product, whether that is Uber or Zoom or Facebook? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. As to tamisti timai tools available, yum Mark Zuckerberg is available as brought the Havadi. So myani hisab chi a huge opportunity, biggest opportunity Kashirimas, and the easiest one. Nachad building hi banawi, nachad factory banawi, the nachad raw material import karun kunjai pet. تۄہہِ توٚر فِکرِ نہ چھِ اَتھ طوٗفانی مازُک پاور تہِ ضوٚرتھ اَتھ اگر بجلی تہِ گژھان چھِ لیپٹاپ چھُ توتہِ چلان گنٹہٕ 2-4 چھِس نیران توتہِ بیٹری پٮ۪ٹھ سو کیٖپِنگ آل دیٹ اِن مایِنڈ مےٚ وَنیو آز برونٛٹھ 15 ؤری تہِ اَتہِ لُکن کہِ اَتھ منٛز کٔرِو اِنویسٹ ٹوٗرِزم از انڈرسٹوڈ دیٹس ایٖزی یہِ چھُ اَسہِ چھِ شُرۍ آلریڈی انٹرسٹڈ اِن ایجوکیشن پیرنٹس آر آلریڈی ایجوکیشن اورینٹڈ and it's the easiest one to encourage entrepreneurism in software and technology, especially in app writing and software. And you never know, sasamaz agar akh application banaye na break, it can change. Akh mulk vano buto example where I have been personally to Finland was ship container banawan so tihun business tim was toith much thrive karan أتھۍ منٛز بنو أکۍ شُرۍ لڑکن ینگ کالیج کڑین تتہِ سیل فون موبایل فون نوکیا اینڈ أمۍ بنو یہِ تیُتھ اصل کہِ everybody started loving it and it became the heartbeat of the mobile phones, affordable, and Nokia became the world's one of the biggest phone company, and it all started from a very small country called Finland. یُس نہٕ کٲنٛسہِ پایی ٲس. So اگر فِنلینڈس منٛز درٛاو نوکیا کٔشیٖرِ منٛز کیازِ نیرِ نہٕ نیکسٹ نوکیا whether that is a cell phone or a technology or whatever, there's no limit to what we can achieve. The only thing we have to do کہ اَسہِ چھِ environment بناوُن تیُتھ کہِ یِم کرن thrive. So وٕنکیٚسن چھُ اَتہِ environment ہے اَتھ ہا گژھی نہٕ کِہینۍ ہے ما کر وقتٕے ضایہِ گژھو سعودی عرب ژھانڈو job and that's it. People are really trying to discourage people from being entrepreneur. And government nokri بہٕ وَنو تۄہہِ پننہِ company منٛز مےٚ اوسُکھ train کران لُکھ جِناب تِم ٲسۍ طوٗفانہِ محضرٕکۍ train گژھان تِمن ٲس مِلان government job half the pay what I used to pay them and they would run. تِکیازِ یہِ ٲس secure. یہِ insecurity یۄس private sectorس منٛز ٲس سۄ ٲس تیٖژاہ بٔڑ کہِ no matter what you do. So یِم basic challenges were there. So going back to your question, absolutely, the biggest opportunity for Kashmir is also IT, and no better time than now to invest more into it and see if we can create apps. And I shouldn't already app banawani America's khatra. Tu banaito app ati Hindustan's khatra, Pakistan's khatra. 1.5 billion, 1.5 billion people between the two countries. So great market. Some of the biggest software giants are now in India.
بالکل یہ چھُ پوٹینشل مارکیٹ یتھ ٹیپ ہیٚکن کٔرِتھ کٲشِر تہٕ ییٚتٮ۪ن پرنس صٲب اگر بہٕ تۄہہِ نِش نِمہٕ مےٚ اوس تۄہہِ خٲطرٕ سوال بدل البتہ تۄہہِ کوٚروٕ پننٮ۪ن یُس تۄہہِ شیر کوٚروٕ اَسہِ سۭتۍ پنٕنۍ کامنٹس یا ڈسکشنز یِم تۄہہِ کٔرِو تۄہہِ دِتوٕ تٔتھۍ منٛز جواب تہٕ وۄنۍ یُس مےٚ ونیو گۄڈٕنیتھ انٹروڈکشنس منٛز سۄے تٔتھۍ سوالس کُن واتہٕ بہٕ بیٚیہِ کیونکہِ تۄہہِ چھُ سپلاے چین تہٕ مٹیٖریل پروکیورمنٹ بیسک سبجیکٹ ایریا آف ایکسپرٹیٖز یتھ منٛز تۄہہِ مُختٔلِف مُلکن سۭتۍ مُختٔلِف نیشنلٹیٖزن سۭتۍ ڈیٖلِنگ چھِ روزان تتھ منٛز چھُ لۄکُٹ بِزنس تہِ یِوان بوٚڑ بِزنس تہِ یِوان باقٕے تہِ یِوان دیٹ میٖنٕز ڈِفرنٹ کاینڈس آف بِزنسز ییٚلہِ أسۍ کٔشیٖرِ ہٕنٛز کتھ چھِ کران تتہِ چھِ یِوان اکھ چیٖز کہِ بِزنس ایٹِچوٗڈ اگر أسۍ انگلینڈس منٛز وٕچھو یا یوٗ کے یِچ کتھ کرو یا یوٗ ایس یِچ کتھ کرو لۄکٕٹۍ لۄکٕٹۍ دُکان یِم شروٗع گٔے ٹیسکوز وٕچھو کو آپ وٕچھو ایسڈا تِم چھِ وٕنکیٚنس واریاہ بٔڑۍ کارپوریٹس بنیمٕتۍ یِم مُختٔلِف مُلکن منٛز وٲتۍ تِم چھِ پننِس پانس منٛز اکھ بٔڑ بارٕ لایک انڈسٹری یِم ملینز یا بلینز آف ڈالرس یا پاونڈس چھِ زینان سانہِ کٔشیٖرِ منٛز دُکان ییٚتٮ۪ن شروٗع گوٚو تمِچ ترقی روٗز 60-70 ؤرین منٛز کہِ سُہ بنیو شو روٗم واریاہ بوٚڑ بیٚیہِ کھوٚت تتھ دوٚیِم پور in majority of the cases. येतुक अगर अस वुचो विजन कि यम सात में प्राइवेट बिजनेस शुरू कर इट डजंट मीन ये गस मीनस नेचुरसी योतामत ब अगर शफात सबन ति कत करो एज फार एज आई कुड डू माय स्टडी एल क्वेश्चन इस तैयार करान कि ये यमो काम शुरू कर यम बने पत पार्टनर ततन बिफोर ही कुड गो इनटू BQE तथी तनाजरस मजन ये को-op यम चीज वुचान एक नफरन कर शुरू मगर ये रूद न अयालुक मीरास की ये बनो कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर पस पे अत चीजस मज अगर वो कशीर मज बिजनेस एटीट्यूड बिजनेस कुता लकुट या बोड़ यह गर या किचन नेबर नेरान कि बेकिस अवकाती रोजान अत मज तुह बासान अत मज पज यह बिजनेस एटीट्यूड इस गो चेंज कर अगर प्राइवेट सेक्टर पन इवॉल्व कर
Of course, which is main चीज businesses में attitude to commitment, the hard work. One चीज वुचुन आसान कि युस hard work ये attitude छु, how it is linked to the long term strategy. Which is अगर मैं दुकान छु अगर मैं सोचा या दुकान से बनाओ ब आज छु मैं 1 करोड़ आज बनाओ ब 10 करोड़ पद 5 वुर पद बनाओ 7 करोड़ मगर सु वुचन सु कित कन बनाउन तात गछस वुचस तुम मिसाल के तौर पर कुनि छु गसान कुनि जर्नी पे छु तो छु गाड़ी ड्राइव करान तो छो पाय आ जर्नी पे हसा छु में वातुन अत कम ऑब्स्टिकल्स जेन सु छु गोडे आसान सोचुन तात छु बाजर प्लानिंग आसान करे जस प्रॉब्लम छे कशीर में कैसन बिजनेस तुम छु दपन वलस गोड त्रावो इस बिजनेस आज सोचो यमन चीजन ना तुन कर यमन चीजन कुन गोड सोचुन अगर अब रोपी करोड़ कर इन्वेस्ट या रोपी 50 लाख या 10 लाख कर इन्वेस्ट अत कूता रेट ऑफ रिटर्न यी अत कम चीज रिस्क मे अत कम मिटिगेशन ऑफ रिस्क मे कर अत कम अपॉर्चुनिटीज में स्मॉल अपॉर्चुनिटीज लोकल मार्केटस मन इंडियन मार्केटस मन ग्लोबल मार्केटस मन हर कुछ बिजनेस गोटे स्टार्ट अगर बहुत यहान मिसाल के तौर पर किरियान बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर मे तथ वुचुन अत किरियान जुन बह कर मे कत्या कंपिटिटर यह बह यहान पन्ने लोकलिटी मज कर मज कर नेबर सह गोडे सोचुन मेन चीज बे वुचुन क्वालिटी थावन क्या किस क्वालिटी था शॉर्ट टर्म कट्स कर बिजनेस मेन बिजनेस तुम वो ये टेस्को वो या बाकी बड़ बड़ स्मॉल स्केल बिजनेसो पे बड़ बने कॉर्पोरेट कंपनी कित बने बने ये तिमन बाजब पे गोल बे तमो कर शॉर्ट कट्स कह ऑफ कोर्स एक्सपेंशन इज देयर वुचस अगर प्रॉफिट आवी रोपी करोड़ अत वुचुन रोपी करोड़ कित बन 2 करोड़ पर प्रॉफिट ये कित गि अपस्केल सह ऑलवेज एक्सपेंशन सोचुन बट एट द सेम टाइम शॉर्टकट कर क्या यू आर देन अगर तुम शॉर्टकट करू दैट मीन्स विजन तत कह यू आर लूजिंग द इन्वेस्टमेंट यमो इन्वेस्टमेंट कर चाहे पन इन्वेस्टमेंट या बैंक इन्वेस्टमेंट या कस सह लूज कर पन कॉर्पोरेट पन बिजनेस long term vision सह लूज कर बे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग मे ऑब्जर्व कर लॉट ऑफ जन यंग पीपल दे गो वल बह कर जस्ट आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन और जस्ट आफ्टर इंजीनियरिंग बह कर स्टार्ट yes that is good if you have got a very good product in your mind or very good service you don't convince you it will be successful however I would suggest to got a very experience karin that specialization banami that field as mun you timani understanding tami product is tami businesses tami services yes yet man such a future potential opportunities then they can go and start the business you know got a jump karun yemsi timan difficulties in yim handle hakan difficulties karit ke
बिल्कुल शुक्रिया प्रिंस सर सो अस गो लगभग 100 घंटे वन लास्ट राउंड यथ मज करो थोड़ा क्रिस्प रोजन कोशिश कंक्लूडिंग रिमार्क्स तो अगर बह रऊफ सब तुह कुन यम तुह यन इंडस्ट्रीज या एरियाजन हज कत कर मान अंदाज तल अगर एनवायरमेंट इकोलॉजी पन थो जहनस मज या बेसिक बैक बोन गोड पे तथ मज पे सन कारपेट्स सोन एग्रीकल्चर डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स बाकी चीज ये पे दोप कि अत मज पोटेंशियल ऑफ एक्सपोर्ट तो तुह नजर क्योंकि तुम अति मज बिजनेस करान तुह लीगल फॉर्मेलिटीज पाई या NPAs हज कत कर तुह अत चीजस पे फॉरन अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट यी पन्न कशरन हज तिमन क्या legal formalities या केम तरीक पज तिमन यून तो पनिन कशिर join करन so that शना वना पलजुन अख तो अख गई का so तथ चीज़स खतर क्या आस तुहंज message what is the way going ahead तो शु mute
basically God page you says nebrim nafar he has to God assess current question में क्या legal conditions क्या legal requirements क्या he has to assess current panni mutabik in current assess as far as laws are concerned I think वुनकस हितन हिंदुस्तानस मज काफी investment friendly laws बन farm laws बने या कशीर मज वुनकस law बने काफी friendly investment friendly laws red tape so level of ease of doing business manage there is still good red tape there but legal requirements but then there will be legal requirements will be there but that is knowledge legal requirements but then they will have to assess on their own
these things could be worked around
yes obviously these things could be worked around
so ithis maz an supplementary question ye hekya gasit ki sun kashir major businessmen tim gasan unite into maybe uses vanan is
quite a lot of funds came to Kashmir through NGOs and NGOs which I am not very interested. There are legal ways. There are not that NGOs are illegal way, but there are ways and means where a person can invest. Foreign direct investments का way है, joint ventures का way है, equity में वो participate करते हैं. उनके लिए सिर्फ NPS में basically इसके CAM also कि ये NPS में से हम निकलने चाहिए. There are viable investments, but condition rules में कश्मीर में स्थित की.
Absolutely. Shortly अगर तू वनी ये NPS खत्म करने खातिर अख viable plan या पैटर्न पत brainstorming है गच्छित.
I think a joint venture would be a better way of doing it.
Wonderful.
Joint ventures would be a better way of doing it at this time.
Inshallah. Shafat sir, another like briefly. Yelis vanan South Asia's mazan ki IT potential baki, but at the same time shath mazan as you know exploitation tigasan क्योंकि cheap labor sh. अगर इस वशो call centers या IT sectors में यूज़ा engagement ची गसान या sublet ची गसान western या global north पैटर्न global south is कौन सो शासन cheap labor चाहे तक मज़न manufacturing ऐसे apparel industry ऐसे या IT industry कशीर मज़न कितने हैं को सो चीज़ prevent करे कि exploitation ती गैस निकी अगर इस IT potential ची कशीर हुंद explore ती करान तक खतर पे ज़रूरत maybe nebrim ventures in for example तो ही वगर ती इन बाकी यम अस्कशिर अथ सतन डील आसन करान so exploitation कित कनित बच your brief comments on that
exploitation is खतर जनाब च 3 point very important अख च कि local labor laws गसन आसन strong in every society so in Kashmir too for example minimum wages क्या च work conditions क्या च employers responsibilities क्या च so as me in company gay bird I became more and more aware of it interestingly Indian kurmut wire established labor laws and there are very strict requirements on how to treat people and all of that but the biggest सारी को ज़्यादा myth यस problem गसान कि America's मज दिवान minimum wages $10 per hour तिम गई जनरली $7 per hour ये $7 per hour छन दिवान कशरस employers के तो ना दिमोस तिक्याज because cost of living is a factor तो फिक्र even ये America's मज छ अकिस computer programmers तो $70,000 salary युस California मज रोजान अगर यही programmer रोजान Oklahoma मज ये cost of living low अमिस $55,000 दिवान salary so you see cost of living factor you should vary because you don't necessarily want to also overpay or underpay so last point businessman karya deliberately exploit panian employer ish myth mein hisab kyaz ki su business gasna successfully sa agar tu pani employees karyu exploit tim employee darnawi di toy nish, because आज छ वारिया competitive market, especially technology mas, and more importantly employee chhna rozan sirf khosh tankha sitin ki, each overall package asan su kit kan karyun tu treat and how you make his day interesting ki su gasi suban watun da apun gasi I'm looking forward to go to work. So the you see fear, hey, you makaran is exploit and all of that, you should mean hisab sorry bakwas. Kyaz ke hakikat chu ye hai कि युस तुई फॉरेन कंपनी वुचु, चाहे हिंदुस्तानस मज आसि या चाहे कशीर मज आसि, कशीर मज छन तीचा कि ततिक एम्प्लॉयर छ ज्यादा तनखा ति निवान, ततिक एम्प्लॉयर छ ज्यादा खुश ति, ततकन एम्प्लॉयर छ ज्यादा बेटर ट्रीटमेंट देन गवर्नमेंट जॉब or any private local employer. So अगर elevate, अगर exploit गसान छ, सु छ mostly हर कोई मुल्कस में वुचमु local level पे गसान ज्यादा. Yus you foreigner छ ना यवान, यह छ ज्यादा loyal आसान to the local laws, यह छ ज्यादा sensitive आसान, so यह छ most likely करने exploit. So especially अगर वहीं से foreigner आसे कोशरी पांती, तो फिक्र है. म्योन directive was कि बदिम तीचा salary एमिस कोशरिस employers कि ये गस नु सोचनुई government job को, ये गस नु सोचनुई India गस नुक. And I was successful. I paid them well. ती attitude अगर सारी था वन तेली गस नी problem किया. मगर यम सारी concerns यम चना सा often they become friction. And म्यान हिसाब गस दबान चना दुनिया में you either can see it half empty, half full. So agar sari wucho you half full, the optimism of all of that, we will thrive as a nation. We need to let go the negativity, the criticism, the trying to find hidden agendas. Yim cheez chhin wine, shuban kya iskis dunya mein yele to find mahzar access to knowledge. Azuk shur chun prashan malis bh kya go, so chu Google kara. Google divan better answer ji tamis mol di hai. So we are living in a different era now. You cannot do things today and remain unknown, or nobody will tell you. आज च generation tim च Twitter पर खाला 2 second में अगर तुम manager के हम ना फायदा रही, so च 2 second में तुम managers ना खार करित इत कमोन. So we're living in a very balanced and checks and balance world. So therefore optimism has to prevail.
शुक्रिया शफात साहब. बिल्कुल यत्कन तुई वनान सोशल मीडिया या इंफॉर्मेशन रेवोल्यूशन दौर छ ये चिकिंग गसान तो सो इंफॉर्मेशन छ खसित गसान यत्कन अगर इस वचो बांग्लादेशस में स्वेट शॉप्स या इंडियास में या पाकिस्तानस में कितकन नाइकी छ या यम बज कंपनी कितकन छ एक्सप्लॉइट करन तत छ आसान गरीब इन दैट विशियस साइकिल की येत तमिस जॉब त्रानुक अपॉर्चुनिटी छ क्योंकि तमिस जाय पेठन वापस इन खतर छ आसान बे 10 नफर तैयार. Yithai kenneth gayo 2010 maz Bangladesh's mazan su bodak blocking vesit yat mazan 1500 mazur moved already. Yithai ken chu weekends the Chinese products yum weekends look bod gas movement shuru kes karon im music kyunki yum shwaigar muslimanan concentration camp mazan kada the timan chu forced labor karna ho. To tis cheez exist gasan tat petan kar bu thoda disagree. Albatta umeed chit ken tu hi vanan chu yam satan panun koshur panni kashir mazan इन्वेस्ट करा तमिश नेथी आसान कि बेहतरी कर पन्न लुकन सतन. तो उम्मीद त रोज इंशाल्लाह ये है कि यम साथ नसिमो या यम चीज गसन फर्दर एक्सपेंड एक्सप्लॉयटेशन गसन किहिन. Prince,
can I make a quick point on that? Yum to yum when you example, yum che edge cases and exceptions, not normal. So 99% of the businesses do well. They treat their employees well, they do well. Yes, there's always exceptions to the rule. I mean, but what I'm trying to say is I spice and today it's actually more difficult. Used to be financial sweatshops. Yes, sweatshops were there, but that was 20 years ago when we didn't have the internet and the information like we have today. Today, Nike cannot have a sweatshop. Today, the social boycott is easier. Today, China cannot put Uyghurs in a concentration camp and make them go forced labor and try to keep the information hidden. Brought to Russia, to China, communism was karanas. Point I'm making ki edge cases Jesus. Is it really that big a problem that we should make it an issue? Absolutely not. But we should always trust but verify. Trust but verify. Trust entrepreneurs but verify that they're doing the right thing.
Absolutely. At pet like hey, it's very about discussion, magar so karo es inshallah bekis maukas pet kyunki examples mein vain akhir zasas kahish te beakhir zasas kunuch. Khair, is trawo yetni principle last sawal agar bo toy tamim yet kenet es score you build up ke thoda cha aise akh kis palzanish zarurat. Is there a way ki yum aise kashir never abad ch business people like you, like Shafat sir, tui heku judit ithe kenet joint ventures agar es within Kashir, like in terms of joint ventures या joint consortiums अगर इस हेको बनाए ये छा का तरीक पनिन कशीर तेमिच इक्तिसाद या तेमिच माशी हालत बेहतर बनाने चाहिए सो strengthen करने चाहिए.
Of course, Anas, guys, which are main issue winkas problem is there are some very, very successful businessmen globally. To which to Shafat sab chi ya baki chi Turkey mans which me bag Saudi mans varian judge. But problem chas we don't know who they are and where they are. It's a lock it's a lock pocket mans na fasemit. Time kadn first of all assures start karn last year associates London British Kashmiri Association mulaqat that was one of the agenda points also say कि ऐसा बनाओ overseas Kashmiri Business Association, wherein all the Kashmiri businesses will come under umbrella using its database banao, so that we will see kya services, kya business current, where there is a collaborative approach at the chance. So because of pandemic, that go thoda bahut delay on, but we are in process of doing that. Shuru inshallah very soon banao that association Kashmiri Business Association yatman sari hakan join kari overseas Kashmiris as well as the Kashmiris yatman is bazab to put which kum scope chikaran businesses then we will have a collaborative approach. You could start hopefully inshallah it might in next couple of months we will have a website as well, the database as well. Go to groundwork as current yet means the visibility of the businesses Kashmiri owned or Kashmiri affiliated businesses are awesome, which is in UK some business to Kosher mention Pike America some business. So that will be the vehicle wherein we will be able to bring in all the businesses under one umbrella or a database. To the question about collaboration, of course there is a collaboration joint venture. Magar main issues achu wuchun kam sector kuch specialized, kam area kuch specialized business. So sui karn prefer so that that knowledge and experience and sui pass on karne to local Kashmir businesses. So you guys, for example, one of the Azbun Shasat last year usme do such he was doing in yatna arts and craft institute also karan kam te mun me pata hai main soch karan exhibitions in Europe the UK, but I am not getting the visa. So my own business related. However, I will help and support you. As a I want to help him. I invite as a business meetings and conferences and everything. As my supplier, visa search Europe exhibition product and so mashallah that was successful. So tithai kanchu wuchun ki kah collaboration chi for example sani companies se Shafak sab companies ya backend businesses what collaboration they will be looking. So timun chu clear wuchun tund kya chu baki zon chu kah business chu banan chu if it is not compatible with the business using foreign business that success collaboration is not there, which will not be successful. But to answer your question in short, of course, collaboration is very, very important. You can do the joint ventures, you can do the collaborations, you can do the local partnership basis as well as you can help them to bring in terms of the the visas or requirements. You start to help to overseas Kashmiri businesses can help.
Shukriya, Prince. Like you go very optimistic or positive note aspect. Rose, yes.
Shafat sab, khabar to acha pata 1985 में एक यूनिट बना था रंगरेट में. Perhaps that was one of the first units for manufacturing of PCB boards. You have any idea if that is still there or it is gone?
Na su janaab skor band ei pata Kashmir. I have to tell you that buchus kashir mazaki karan timan chus budon to medal diun kyaz ki rangretas mon chana kahin unit electronics or software technology unit more than 5 or 7 years dariamats because just I think political unrest time sitan chigasa varia hardship so me kit kin chus navigate kormut athpati kitab lekhna but long story short me won shuros masti where there's a will there's a way agar look chahan tim hekan kashir maz asal patan information technology related company khada karit.
Yes. Especially medical transcripts. We are looking at medical transcripts, or even a lot of apps have been made in Kashmir.
Yes.
Wani sir, if I may ask, what business are you basically in?
जी हमारा ये है कि we supply engineering products and parts and technology to oil and gas, petrochemical, manufacturing, medical and laboratories.
Okay.
So we have got some European, American manufacturers who we have done the collaboration with them, and then we take those products and the technology and supply and install to various manufacturing and industrial plants.
Like example, those HPMCLs and all those equipments, analyzing equipments?
Yes, analyzers, instrumentation, electrical process equipments like heat exchangers, compressors, the process equipments in terms of packaging equipments, vibrating equipments, all sorts of equipments. Yes. So basically what we are looking is working with the projects as well as the plants, whatever their material and the equipments are required. And then we help and support them in terms of supplying and doing the engineering reviews and the specification reviews, and based on that we supply them. And there is UK government in us, but help and support exporters for around 50 billion pounds. So we can give the UK export finance to plant equipment buy car, we can get them financed by the UK export agency as well.
Again,
I would like to keep in touch with Wani sir if it is possible.
It will be a pleasure, sir. It will be a pleasure.
Thank
so
you.
on the other end of the live meeting, inshallah aaj cheez pe kat
alag paint
exactly offline paint. So Mohtaram Nazreen, umeed chhe toy aso pasand amut akh agar is wano guj us iske discussion mazan dray ki Kashir mazan ch halat tita te sahi chhin ke albatta umeed ch ki चीज हेकन सही कैसे आख इंफॉर्मेशन यूज दराय कि करीब 2.7 करोड़ हुन छ डेट विकनस अगर इस कशर बिजनेस वचो तिम छ विकनस तेम निश नेबर कढनिच वारिया ज्यादा जरूरत तत पे गडनी जिम्मेदारी आयद गसा यम सइन आबाद कशर छ चाहे कशीर अंदर छ या कशीर नेबर तिम कित कन जुड़न पानवेन कित कन पलजन आख किस त एम नेबर कढन कि सुमोक इन के नेबरिम बैंक इन या नेबरिम बिजनेसमैन इन तिमन करन टेक ओवर कि पन्नसी गरस मजन गसन तिम पत पर्सन या एलियनेट उम्मीद छे इंशाल्लाह तो ऐसे प्रोग्राम पसंद खोतमुत नेक्स्ट हफ्ते इमो तो हिनिशन बेगस हो तो इससे जुड़ित लाइव कहाँ युथी सोशल इशू है थी फिटनेस कत करो इंशाल्लाह तो ताम रोजु तुह ते अल्लाह ताला सवाल इस तरह अल्लाह ताला सवाल अस्सलाम वालेकुम।